I'm Paul, one of the patients working with the staff at CUH. Getting to hospital may feel challenging at first. However, there are lots of options for travelling available to and from CUH. There are many routes leading to the hospital, including Hills Road, Long Road, Trumpington Road and Addenbrooks Road. They all have dedicated cycle lanes, as well as off-road paths, some of their length. The bike racks are available to use around the campus, and the closest to oncology haematology outpatients is located next to Clinic 14, the eye clinic on Robinson Way. Addenbrooks Hospital has its own bus station at the Hills Road entrance to the site, where the majority of buses pick up and drop off people. There are further stops around the biomedical campus. However, the closest to the oncology haematology outpatients is the Addenbrooks bus station. The Cambridge railway station is an easy walk or short bus ride away from the hospital. It takes approximately 10 minutes by bus or 30 minutes walking to get to CUH. There are taxis available outside of the train station which can take you to CUH if needed. There are also a number of local taxi firms operating around the hospital site, and these include Panther Taxis, A1 Cabco or CamCab. You can contact them directly or ask the reception team to order one for you if necessary. When travelling by car, the hospital is well signposted from most parts of Cambridge. If driving from outside of Cambridge, there is easy access to the campus via Addenbrooks Road, signposted from Junction 11 on the M11. There are two main multi-storey car parks available for patients and visitors at CUH, Car Park 1 and Car Park 2. Cancer patients receiving chemotherapy or radiotherapy can park in the disabled bays on any level in Car Parks 1 and 2, as they are also designated for cancer patients receiving treatment. Other disabled parking bays around CUH are only available to blue badge holders. If you are asked for evidence, all you need to do is present your appointment details. Car Parks 1 and 2 each operate a pay-on-foot system where customers make their payment for the period of time they have parked when exiting the car park. Patients can take their car park ticket to oncology haematology outpatients or radiotherapy reception to receive a daily or weekly stamp that enables them to be charged a discounted rate. The stamped car park ticket will then need to be taken to the customer service desk in Car Parks 1 or 2 for processing. If you are a blue badge holder, parking is free in both car parks. You will, however, also need to get your car park ticket stamped and take it along with your blue badge to the car park customer service desk for authorisation before you leave. If you have any further questions about car parking, you can speak to the customer service team located on the ground level in both car parks. There is a free courtesy bus available to use, running every 30 minutes from Car Parks 1 and 2. The bus can drop and collect you from the main entrances. The oncology haematology outpatients entrance is one of the stops included on the schedule. Please ask at any reception desk for instructions. Another option for car parking and travelling to and from hospital is one of the many park and ride services available around Cambridge. The closest park and ride site to CUH is located on Babram Road or Trumpington, but you may find it easier to use one of the other sites, depending on the direction you're travelling from. You may also be eligible for reimbursement of fuel and parking costs via a Macmillan grant. Please visit the Cancer Support Information Service or ask your cancer navigator or healthcare professional for more information. Patients are normally expected to make their own way to and from hospital for non-emergency tests and treatments. However, this may not be possible if you have a medical condition that prevents you from travelling on public transport or in taxis. Where necessary, hospital transport can be provided for both inpatient stays and outpatient appointments. You can contact your transport provider to see if you are eligible for patient transport service. If you are unsure who your transport provider is, please contact either your GP surgery, the clinic you are attending, or the transport office at Addenbrooks Hospital. For more information about getting to Addenbrooks Hospital, please visit the CUH website